Know who it is? You should go on my channel. I'm going to be making this kind of slime. This kind of slime is very soft. It got the stretches. But so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to be needing is a container. I'm just using a Play-Doh top. See right there, I say Play-Doh, but you just can't see it because
that's what it is.
So I'm just going to be using this side. And then this material I got is just a bobby pin, but I stretched it out. It was like this, but then I just bended it all the way back just like this. So I have a bobby pin. And now we're going to be making this kind of slime. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to be having to use is this. Make sure to have a picture just like this. It's for you guys' hair. So the next thing you're going to be needing. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour this on. Stop. I'm just going to be pouring this on. I'm not really supposed to be using this because it's from my mom here, so let's get started. So bye. The next thing you're going to be, I'm going to be telling you on the next thing, so bye. So the next thing you're going to be needing is some salt. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix my stuff up. I just showed you my hair.
Because it looks like
So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it up.
No, he's mad. He's freaking mad. I don't want this mask.
So it's very...
No more.
So it's like slime already, but it's not that kind of slime because
it's
sticky.
I want the big old shotgun. Okay? Okay.
Next thing is salt.
You better work.
Next thing is salt.
The house.
Only a little bit
better work.
Maybe about this much. You don't need that much. Pour
I get out of here.
Only a little bit.
I walk in, so I'll be dead. Wait, I should.
So just pour some more salt in there.
Got fake shotgun.
That was just salt that I poured in there. Just pour some more salt in there and now just mix it.
Yeah, then you got some and look like and he took all that.
Toothpaste and salt did not work for me, so I thought this was gonna work, and it actually did. And yeah.
Ow.
So it's starting to get, well, it's kind of watery. So, well, it's watery, but at the same time it is bumpy. So we're just gonna go ahead and add. Ooh! I keep on spilling the salt. So at the same time, so then we're just going to mix it up, the salt. And it's getting harder to mix. So when it gets harder, it's not in a ball yet. It just looks like it from the camera. So I'm just gonna keep on mixing and mixing. So I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh yeah, guys, if the camera shut off on you, it's not because of me, it's because of the camera. So, but you already know if the camera shut off on you, it's not on my fault. It's the camera's fault because my phone acts stupid sometimes. But you already know if the camera shut off, it's okay because you already know if the camera shut off, it's just gonna be just like this. So. And all you gotta just keep on doing is just mixing and then adding more salt. And the more you keep on mixing, adding more salt, the more it's going to keep on getting just like this. And then just add some more salt to it.
she turn.
So it's getting heavier, but it's still kind of watery. Like a kind of watery. So, just go. Just add some more salt. The only reason it's working because that's almost like glue. So of course it's going to work, but it's almost like glue. So hey, why wouldn't it work if it's almost like glue? That's kind of like glue, the thing that I just used. So make sure if you're trying to make slime, make sure you use that. Or if you guys have your own ideas or something, just do that. But I like to make slime a lot. So.
And to do that, dummy, the way. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man.
Ooh, so it's getting thicker.
Oh.
It wasn't really watery at first. I was just like saying it because like how the way I looked it was watery, but it didn't feel like it was watery, so I just called it watery because you know. Like I would have thought it was watery too, and then I wouldn't know it lying, so I just said it was watery because y'all would have thought it was watery too. How the way it was looking, so I'm just gonna keep on mixing this. It's already into a ball, but you know how sometimes it be sticky. The slime be sticky on the bottom, and then sometimes it don't come off. See, look, that's how it's. It gotta make sure it come all the way off. I'm about to show you when it come off. So like the other one. So this one's kind of sticky. That's how sticky it is. So I'm just gonna add one drop of salt, one, just like that. But don't pour a lot of salt, or it's not gonna come out right. Or it's not going to do nothing, because if you add too much salt, then it will not do nothing. So make sure you got the right amount of salt. Now you see it's clear, right? It's clear.
Oh.
And here go your slime.
Oh, what that aid to me. To you.
Well, it's still kind of sticky, so it's not slime yet. So I'm just going to put it back on here. So I thought it was like slime because how the way it came out, it was already.
You help me, and I kiss you. You kiss me.
So guys, all you like, I'm about to hurry up before my camera shut off. So all you have to do if it's still sticky, just add some more salt, 2 drops of it, or more. I just added like 3 or 4. You can add how many drops you want. Just make sure it's not like a whole bunch. Make sure it's not a whole bunch. So like it's already like it's not really coming in that much. So I'm just gonna lay it down flat. So like when I mix it, it can like all mix up together instead of just in one ball.
And kiss me. And kiss me.
I think it's ready.
And kiss me.
Yes, it is. Okay, so here go your slime. Don't stick to anything.
Oh.
Just add some more salt if it do.
Oh,
I'm just adding it.
Miss.
Because I don't want to get sticky or nothing.
Oh, miss.
And make sure you got it in a little baggie or something, because it is going to get dried up quick.
To miss me.
It is. That's what happened to me before. I made the same exact slime I'm making right now. I never, ever forgot the ingredient. So one day, I made it. You know, whatever. I was happy about it. I said, I'm never going to let this dry. I'm never going to let it dry. And I left it out on my dresser. Next day, filled it. I was so excited.
What the freak? No. Oh my God.
It died. It died. It died. It died. So I had to make more. I had to. And here go my more. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up with this. The more I keep on making it, the more I'm going to mix them up with each other. So it died. I don't know. It just died. Watch us, sir. My slime died. When it died up, that means it's dead. Dead.
Like this.
So it died.
Oh, right here. Like right on mommy. Where is it?
I said I didn't care about it, but I really did. And it was pink. It was little. It was my favorite slime I ever had. I could imagine in my head.
What that looks.
But at least I got more slime. Fine, I'm about to just make some more real quick. But I'm not going to sit on here. Remember I showed you how to make it, so you don't have to watch me again. So bye.
Whoa.
It's like this is a tissue ball, but it's tissue is different color. So bye. Peace. Peace. Wait.
Oh.
Peace.
What's me? Oh. You got me.